Biotech in a Box is a science outreach program that Tech runs and is able to send biology lab kits to high school teachers throughout Virginia to let them bring those STEM activities into their classrooms. A big reason for these kits is that a lot of teachers aren't able to afford certain supplies in their own classrooms. So what Biotech in a Box does is kind of set a standard for students to be able to, throughout Virginia, have the same experience in their science classrooms. So we send supplies like power supplies, electrophoresis chambers, protein boxes, even just pipetters, because some schools can't afford even just pipetters. This week, the College of Science and the Fralin Life Sciences Institute is putting together a workshop for high school teachers that maybe haven't done Biotech in a Box before to come and get that hands-on experience before committing to doing the program. So we run through all 5 kits and let them get a chance to do the science themselves before bringing it to their classroom and letting their students see it.
Today we prepared some fish samples that we're going to take and do gel electrophoresis to look at the proteins so that we can compare the different proteins that are in the different fish. To be able to use the kits effectively for me, especially with my lack of scientific background, having this professional development available and having somebody to show me and walk me through these labs is going to be infinitely more successful for me to use the program.
The teachers are the same as us. They've been out of school for a while. They need continuing education. And the students need to understand the benefits and the downside of all of the biological revolution that we're going through. So I think that's obviously why it's important. We ought to be doing more of it and helping high school teachers more. You don't have very many programs that start 30 years ago and still going strong. So I think it's been a good thing for the students. It's been a good thing for Virginia Tech.
So I was fortunate enough to actually experience Biotech in a Box come to my school. Without Biotech in a Box, my school wouldn't have had the resources itself to have these technologies, these STEM activities in their classrooms. And now a lot of me and my friends are pursuing higher education, whether that's going to graduate school or medical school. I do think that programs, especially Biotech in a Box, have helped us get to this point.